Stars who did weird fashions in 2020. Ranveer Singh. Well, we all know that this list can go on and on with the weird and funky looks of Ranveer Singh only. In 2020, Ranveer Singh once donned a bobby printed shirt in black and white color and paired it up with a pink haram pant. This look was a complete no from the side of fashion police, and the actor even got trolled for this look. Deepika Padukone. The actress is known for her beautiful and elegant fashion sense, but she also made a fashion disaster in 2020. For her look for the Mirchi Music Awards 2020, Deepika wore a fully black outfit along with a headgear. The actress looked good overall except for the headgear, as it was too much to take. It was undoubtedly a terrible choice. Ananya Panday. Ananya is known for her adorable and girl next door fashion sense. Her looks are always comfy for every young age girl. But in 2020, Ananya went too much with one of her outfits that was too much neon to take in a single frame. Ananya wore a bright neon green bodycon dress and paired it with a red stiletto. Ananya looked too radiant. Nusrat Bharucha. Dream girl actress Nusrat Bharucha took a daring step when she wore a ravishing green dress for an award night. The dress that Nusrat wore had a high slit that went up straight to her waist, making one side of the actress quite visible. Though the actress carried the dress well, she got trolled for her terrible choice in a fashion because of the same dress. Tara Sutaria. Tara is well known for her delicate fashion, which always gives girl next door vibes, but she made a change in 2020. The actress wore a tight and narrow tube top along with a blingy skirt with an overcoat, and it was a terrible choice. The outfit did not work out for Tara that much, and the SOTY2 actress even got trolled for the entire look, especially for the top. Hina Khan. Hina Khan is known as the fashionista of the TV industry, but sometimes fashionistas too make blunders in their fashion. The actress made a blunder when she wore a black and white dress with cracked line and see-through sleeves with matching pair of boots. There was too many things going on with her whole outfit that it was too confusing and weird. Urvashi Rautela. Stunning Bollywood actress Urvashi Rautela too made a blunder with her fashion game in this year. The actress got trolled for one of her looks where she wore a monotone pink outfit. As the lower half of the dress was just a net attached to a corset, it looked quite weird, and she got caught by the fashion police. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.